Okay, I am here with Tibby and Minnow, who is there in front, and their brand new cat dancer, which I would be very surprised if this actually survives the onslaught of these two. But this is a very kind gift from Uncle Chris and Aunt Brooke and Cousin Grayson and their other kitty cousins. And Tibby and Minnow are thrilled to have it. Say thank you, guys. Whoa. Yes, I imagine that I'm not going to be able to have much peace around here because they're always going to be wanting to play. They were quite interested in the other toys too until they discovered the cat dancer. Whoa! That's pretty fun. Pretty fun. Thank you.